Nagbabay, ha? Oh. Ano? Where did we go? Huh? We went to church. Yeah. Diba, baby? It's Santo Niño. Oh, we pray that Ate will get well soon. No more fever, no more cough. Isn't it? Did you pray, baby? Huh? Did you pray? Ano? Are you prayed? Very good. That's a nice brother, baby. Yes. Oh. What do you want to say? Huh? What do you want to say? Huh?